Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today, we're going to study line segment and their measures. Now, what is a postulate? Now, why do we take up the postulate? Because today we are going to study about the rule postulate, and this postulate is related to line segment and their measures. Okay, so first we're gonna define the postulate. A postulate is a statement or rule that is accepted without proof. So if there's no proof, a postulate or a statement is said to be true. So let's have now the ruler postulate. There is a one-to-one correspondence between the points on a line and the set of real numbers such that the distance between two distinct points of a line is the absolute value of the difference under coordinates. Example, using the given figure, let us determine the measure of a line xy. All right, so we have here, no? So we have the positive 2 and 1, or negative 2 and 1, positive 1. So these are the distance, no? So if you're going to get the distance, so applying the ruler postulate, we need to get the absolute value of the difference of the coordinates. So the absolute value refers to the distance of the number from 0. So it's always positive. So except for 0. So when we are looking for the distance, it's absolute. The symbol for absolute values is 1, no? So it's always positive, remember that. So for example, the absolute value of 4 is 4, and the absolute value of negative 20 is 20. All right, so for example, the coordinates of x is negative 2, while the coordinates of y is 1. So we have here negative 2 minus 1 is equal to negative 3 or 3. So therefore, the distance from x and y, or the measure of line xy, is 3, or ray xy is 3 units. Okay, so therefore, let's have this example number 2. Determine the measure of line xy, or segment xy. So we have here the coordinates of x, negative 2, and the coordinates of z is 5. So we have xz is equal to absolute value of negative 3 or negative 2. No, it's supposed to be negative 2. Okay, so we have here negative 2. All right, so negative 2 minus 5 is equal to negative 7. Okay, so the answer is 7. All right, so therefore, the measure of the segment XA is 7. All right, next. So we have here the segment addition postulate. Okay, now what is this? If P lies between A and B, we could say that AB, or AP plus PB, is equals to AB. Now, if AP plus PB is equals to AB, therefore P lies between A and B. So remember this postulate, we're going to use this in our next problem. So for example here, use a segment addition postulate to find the indicated length. So number one, we need to find RT. Okay, so all you have to do is just add 17 plus 8.5. Okay, or we have RS. Okay, RS plus ST. Okay, so that is, you can see, put 0 here, so we have 5, and then we have 8 plus 5 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, carry 1, so we have 25.5. So therefore, RT, no, so RT is equals to 25.5. Okay, next, let's have here find BC. So we need to find this one. Okay, this part here. So we have 54. So our AB or AC is equals to 54. And then we have AB, no, is equals to 25. Why I forgot to write for 25, no? So all you need to have is subtract, okay? So we have 14 minus 5 is 9. This will be 4. 4 minus 2 is 2, okay? So we got 29. So AB or BC, no? BC is equals to 29. Okay, next. Let's have find segment MN. So MN is this one, no? So from 32, so we have MP. Okay, MP is equals to 32, and then we have minus NP. Our NP is equals to 26. Okay, so we got uh, 12 minus 6 is 6. Okay, therefore MN, no? MN is equals to 6. Okay, that's it. Let's see the next one. All right, so let's get the distance between we have here AB. So we have absolute value of the value of A is negative 9 minus negative 6. So we could say that we have negative 9 plus 6 because negative is positive. Therefore, negative 9 plus 6, we have negative 3. So the distance or the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Therefore, the distance of A to B is 3 units. Next, let's find the BD. So your B is negative 6 minus your D is 0. Okay, so we got the absolute value of negative 6 because 0 is nothing. So therefore, the distance from B to D is 6 units. Okay, what about C and E? For C, we have negative 4 minus 2. Okay, so we got negative 2 plus negative 2 is negative 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. So therefore, 6 units from from point C to point E. What about DE? So for DE, we have the absolute value of 0 minus 2. Okay, so we have 0 minus 2, of course, negative 2. The absolute value of negative 2 is 2. So therefore, the distance between D and E is 2 units. All right. What about this one? We have here uh, AC where B is in between. But the total distance from A to C is 4x minus 4. So let's find AC here. So to get AC, that is equals to AB plus BC. Okay, right. But your AC is 4x plus 4. That's equals to 3x, no, or 14 plus 3x minus 4. Or we just do the same, okay? 14, all right? So we got, okay, let's use the space here. We got 4x minus 3x. Okay, just transpose the, or just combine the common terms. And then we have 14, or 14 minus 4, or yeah. So we have 10, no? Or we can use 14 minus 4 minus 4, okay? So because we need to transfer negative 4 also, so x is equals to, so we have here 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is equals to 6. Therefore, the value of x is 6, okay? So there we could say easily that 4, so the measure of A to C is 4 times 6 plus 4. Okay, and that is about 28. Why 28? Because 4 times 6 is 24 plus 4, that's 28. So therefore, AC is 28. Okay? So if you still doubt of your answer, you can find the PC. Easy? All right. All right, here. Point J is between H and K, or it's K. Use the given information to write an equation in terms of X. So solve the equation. So find its J and XK. Okay. So it says, we could say that 2x, no, plus 3x, because it, it, it's to K. It's K. So J is between, no? So the given is obvious. Then we have 25. So we got here 2 plus 3 is 5x. Then we have 25 divided 5 divided by 5. Therefore, x is equals to 5. Right? Now, what is its j? So for its j, we have okay. So for its j, we have 2 times 5. That is equals to 10. And then for jk, that's 3 times 5 is equals to 15. So obviously, that is equals to 25. So that's why our answer is correct. Okay? So for the next problem, we have C is between A and E, and for this problem, draw a picture representing 3 points and the information given, and solve for the indicated value. All right, so you can do it in your notebook or wherever paper you like. No, it's really, this time for you to practice for this. Okay, and also, so we could say that roller postulates, or we could, for our summary, roller postulate states that the distance between two distinct points of a line is the blank of the difference of their coordinates. What do you think? No, the absolute value. Okay, absolute value. Okay, of the difference of their coordinates. So that's all for today. Goodbye. Love you all. I hope you learned something today.